Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications and give us a huge thumbs up. And today we are going to my friend's birthday party, and we are so unorganized. we didn't like bring
We haven't got a present yet.
Yeah, we haven't got in the present
So
yet.
we're going to go get a present now.
Yeah.
On the way to the party.
Yeah.
But it's it's thoughtful because we know what we're getting. We just haven't got it yet.
Yeah, we're getting a Lego set of some sort.
They've got cool avatar ones also.
Yeah, I think we might be getting a Star Wars one or like one of those types.
Well, we'll see what they've got.
Yeah, and see you at the shops. Hey guys, I'm back and we're going to Kmart now. So, bye. So now we're going to choose his card, and he's turning 10, so we're going to find a number 10 card.
Or just any card that
Yeah.
you would like. What is he into?
Lego.
Lego. There's a Lego one.
There.
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Well, which one?
There's two. I don't know. I'm just going to do dip dip. Dip dip. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Here. Well, which one do you like better?
I actually like this one better.
We'll get that one then. If you think you'd like it better.
Yeah.
Show us. What is it?
Darth Vader.
It's hard to see. Oh yeah, the force is strong. What does it say inside? It's your destiny to have a great birthday. Alright, cool. Let's go get the present before we get the bag because we need to know what it's going to fit in and find them. No, that'd be here somewhere. Can you see them?
Oh, there.
Alright, grab them. Grab a bag.
Oh, there. I'm just going to grab this one too.
Fizzes, and we're going to get some of these too. Love hearts. Used to have these when I was a kid.
I hold them.
Yep. Alright, amazing. Totally off topic. Let's go get a present now. Alright.
Yay. So,
What sort are we looking for?
Star Wars or any Star Wars.
Alright. Well, I don't think that... Oh, there's Star Wars. There's some heaps.
Yeah. Oh, he likes the Lego City things.
Lego City, what sort of things?
Like,
Oh, they've got stuff down here. Do you want to look down here?
yeah.
Got stuff here. Oh, look at that.
What?
Harry's Patronus.
That's cool.
That is cool. Oh, look, they've got all these cool... There's the Avatar one.
There's a Jurassic Park.
Yeah, I know. They're really cool. Look at this one. Brachiosaurus.
Oh, you made me want it.
I know. I want them too.
Oh, look, Guardians of the Galaxy. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, there's Rocket. Cool. Anyway, we need to focus.
Well, there's... Oh,
Let's see what. There's cool Jurassic Park ones. Does he like Jurassic Park? No? Good Dobby.
he's kind of like into Lego City or...
Lego City. Alright.
Oh, there's like a Lego City one.
What sort? He's into boats, isn't he?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, we could get him a boat one.
I don't know, you tell me. They've got...
Maybe this one. Oh, the boats float as well. Yeah, I think we should get him this one.
That?
Yeah. And can we get a Fuggler?
Yeah, alright. What one?
Yes. Oh, this is
It's here.
I want to get the ugliest one out of all of them.
How about what colour does he like?
He likes blue.
Blue. That's kind of blue. Or that one's blue.
I want to get like a freaky one.
They're all kind of
He's like-
freaky. This one's cute.
No, I want to get him an
That's too cute, isn't it?
This one.
With all the teeth. These ones with the funny eyes are Connie too.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Look at that one.
Kind of looks like a dog, that one.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's blue.
Oh yeah, this one.
It's got freaky teeth.
Yes, yes. We found it.
That one.
Yes.
Alright,
Let's go.
you gonna show us?
These two things.
But now we need to get a bag to put them in.
And we might be getting a football from there. Wait, and Mum, I just gotta see, they don't have a Lego set that I wanted, so I'm sad.
These Avatar ones are really cool.
Yeah, like look at
Look at this one.
oh, that's cool. Look and the
Heaps of cool ones. Alright. So what are we doing? Looking for a footy. I'm pretty sure they're not $3, honey.
yeah, $3.
What is it for?
It's for me.
Fuzz. No, they're just for the fuzzy ones.
What is that for?
They have footies. There's the footies at $22.
$6.
$6?
I need to
No,
get
that's for a mini soccer ball. They're all in the wrong spots.
What about this one? Soft football, $14.
Is that it?
That's it. Should I get it?
I don't know. Doesn't feel very good.
I don't know if I'm doing the right decision. Do you reckon I should do it, Mum?
No.
Get it?
No.
Yeah. So.
Right. There's not that many. Unless we got, I don't know, we could get...
No wrapping tape.
I feel like you're going in the wrong direction.
Yes, I feel like that.
Yeah, the bags are back there.
There's no bags here. Well, that's a second. What are these? Oh, sure.
Dinosaur lollipops. Alright. Okay, so we've got whatever ones are here, or these ones, or
Dinosaur. He likes
these
dinosaurs.
ones. What was the crocodile one?
Crocodile.
Which one?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur?
Yeah, dinosaur. This one.
Make sure they both fit though. Yeah, give me one side. Without breaking it. Uh-oh, hang on. We're having issues. Hang on. Uh-oh, it's gonna break. Hang on, hold it. There we go. Alright, no, I think they'll fit.
Yeah.
Easily. Okay.
Okay, there.
Yeah. Alright. Knox got distracted by the dinosaurs, as usual.
Yeah. Okay.
But you've got all of them, don't you? Except for what, that one?
That one.
You don't have that one.
And that one. And this one. And probably that one. And that one. Wait, no, I've got
You've got that. You've got pretty much every other one, even the masks.
I really want one of those eggies. The dinosaur eggs. I don't know where they are though.
I don't know.
I want one of them. I'm getting one of those eggs no matter what. Yep. Take it.
Does it go in there? Alright, cool. Do it straight. Who are you going for? Scooby?
Scooby-Doo.
Oh, I don't think so. No.
I would have grabbed his whole body.
2 more turns. Well, that cat's pretty big too.
Or I could go for a lighter
So
one.
the cat.
Or Tiger.
Tigger.
Tigger. Oh, I think I've had it.
Yes. Alright, you got one more turn.
One more go.
Get Tigger out. You got one more shot. I would go for the cat maybe. The black and white cat or Buzz, but the cat's pretty big.
Or maybe Buzz because it's lighter. Or but
Go for, oh, whatever.
I'm gonna go for Buzz for Sam.
Got it? Go. You're gonna double clamp it. No. Alright, one's better than none, isn't it?
I got Tigger. I thought I was gonna get Buzz, but then
No go.
I'm like the normal. This is light, so it won't happen. So this is the end of the video, and I hope you like it. So make sure to give us a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you guys later. Bye.